This is also a very massive RV. This is an open range. And I have heard nice things about open range. This is a 40 foot 2015. Fifth wheel. I don't know. I don't think it's a toy hauler. It wouldn't have a slide back here if it was a toy hauler. It's going to be nice and spacious inside at 40 feet. One thing you do have to consider when you buy a rig this big, they're very nice. They're very nice. But if you're traveling, you have to be able to accommodate for the size of this rig. Big slides on this. It's going to be big inside. One heck of a hitch there. Okay, let's enter this. I have to get up on the step to open the door. And then I have to get off the step to open the door. Okay. Whew. Oh, yeah. Don't close. Phooey. It was owned by smokers. People who don't smoke in your rigs, it destroys them, especially for people that don't smoke. Oh, gee. What a shame. So, 40 foot 2014 open range for $36,995. Very, very nice. Oh, glass tile in the galley. The sink is over here. Stove is over here. Prep island right here. Massive refrigerator. Nice sized TV. Your fireplace area with really pretty tile around it. A little bit darker than I like. What a shame. Oh, I'm about to choke. Sorry, I don't do cigarettes. Dinette area. That's a shame. This is a beautiful rig. Not that I'm going to buy it anyhow. Bathroom right here. Jack and Jill bathroom. Salad bowl sink. That's what I call them. Not sure what that faucet's for or what that's for. Big shower. And then here's the bedroom area. Really generous. Oh my gosh. This is very, very generous. You have to have one heck of a truck to pull this baby with, though. King size bed. Lots and lots of storage. Clothing storage and such. And then here is the other bedroom door right here. It's going to be a quick tour of this one, because I can't stay in here very long. Of course, the step up to the bedroom area. One bathroom in this. Oh, door closed behind me. So that is it for the 40 foot 2014 open range. Don't go too fast. So this is it for the 40 foot 2014 open range 3X for $36,995.